Imagine a world where people are healthy and climate is in harmony. Shroomwell and mushrooms are the next big thing for humanity. There is a mushroom that has saved more than 100 million lives. It's called the penicillium, also known as antibiotics. So Shroomwell uses medicinal mushrooms to make products for us to live longer and healthier. Shroomwell's mycomat is cleaning up oil spills and helps bring life back to the deserts. Shroomwell mushroom trees help bring biodiversity back to the forest and also help sequester carbon into the soil. So forest owners have less pressure for cutting down forest when they can grow medicinal mushrooms on living trees, on clear-cut forest, and in new planted forests. So join us as a colleague, client, or an investor, because Shroomwell has no limits. We have a saying in a company, so there is a mushroom for every problem.
Siim, thank you very much for that. Shroomwell seems like a very interesting company. If I understand, you're working on health and wellness products, but also products to help the environment, cleaning up the oil. Can you talk more about this?
Yes, so we have two major fields that we're focusing on. The wellness side for increasing human health, and also the innovation side, like you mentioned. So both of them are huge markets. So we are really eager to see what is the real potential of mushrooms, in that sense that they are one of the founders of the life on Earth.
You're CEO of the innovation leg of Shroomwell, which I understand is you're working in the environment. Can you talk more about this? What are some of the things that you're doing with your products, with your mushroom?
So we have basically 15 projects. Each of them are in different phases. But like I mentioned, that we are focusing on creating less pressure for forest owners when they can grow side revenues as mushrooms in the forest. So different varieties. Also, we are working on with different international partners to clean up oil spills and bring life back to the forest. So we have like 5 universities all over the world, and it's like really fun thing to do.
Okay, so how big do you think is the market opportunity here, and how many countries are you working in?
So when we're talking about the wellness sector, the pharmaceuticals itself is like $1 trillion sector. But the point is that it is turning from reactive medicine to preventive medicine. And that's why medicinal mushroom sector is growing rapidly. And it's already like 6 billion. When we're talking about the innovation side, then UN said that beside flora and fauna, the fungi are the next big thing, which means that our solution is going to be on millions of hectares around the world.
That's really good. So how come your product is unique? What are you doing that's particularly innovative in this field?
When we're gathering all these scientists all around the world, from Netherlands to Sweden to Estonia to Singapore to London, so all this brain power can achieve something that hasn't done before. So this is our edge, and this is what we are doing.
Okay, so you're heavily investing in research and development, working with top scientists to really find new innovative ways to use these mushrooms.
Yes, and they're scalable as well. So scale is the key that scientists on themselves cannot achieve, but we export products up to 21 countries, and we have the scale. But the point is how to bring that scale to that science and brain power to scale. And this is what we do.
Okay. So you're working on, as you said, to find ways to help farmers to grow these mushrooms on ways that it's not just about you producing them.
Yeah.
It's about having many farmers, I guess, in many different countries being able to produce these mushrooms.
Yeah. And also what I want to tell you is that environment protection doesn't have to be like something subsidized. So we have a profitable environment saving business plans. So this is totally new in the market, and that's why we have so many different investors as well with us from all over the world. And we see there is a huge potential in mushroom sector.
Seems to be. So to wrap it up, tell us about what are 1 or 2 key features? Where are you going with this? What's the next things you're going to add?
So at the moment, we are focusing on these forest solutions. So forest is a big topic. At the same time, there is a really big demand for deserted areas where you want to plant a new forest, but plants without fungi actually don't want to grow. So we have the key element for making it happen worldwide. And this is what makes us really different and unique.
So in very arid climates, hot like a desert where there isn't much light, putting in the fungi and the mushrooms first can help to promote growth from other forms of life, and so
Yes, so we can cover the whole earth with vegetation.
I love it.